Hey guys, so I'm watching the recent episode of Inima and I'm realizing ukuthi hayibo. Uqhawe phela kufana noma usevele wanezwa ubaba wakhe ikheke, and I want us to talk about that and more here on this video. But before we start, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So let's quickly get to it. Phela if kuthi lo mjidalo, this new guy uAzande is a cousin to Lazarus, and Lazarus is a father to Uqhawe, and that means only one thing, ukuthi uAzande ubaba omncane kaQhawe, and now uQhawe sevela wahamba oyivula yonke evulela utata omncane wakhe, and it's so funny to watch. So it was all a spill of ice on the recent episode of Inimba after Uqhawe discovered that she slept with his stepfather's cousin. Imagine that. So this guy came, and we all know that this guy came ukuzoyishubisa lana, because even the teasers show us that Ishubile, he came to take whatever that belongs to him, and unomfundisi even stated naye ukuthi kuningi awathathwa yena, so she wants everything back, meaning that kuna unomfundisi and her son against uTata uNcukana and his son. So izoshuba ngempela, and I think Uqhawe is gonna be in the middle of all of this because yena ufole in love manje, because usezophela into ecijile yalo mjidalo. So I don't know guys, but this was exciting. So this guy was being welcomed in the family, and then Uqhawe didn't know. I think that she was sent to go and fetch ice. Then when she came back, nangu mjida ngiyakutshela ukuthi wachitheka ama ice. Angazi, I don't know, but all I can say is that the first episode of season 2 was really on fire, and Inimba never disappointed us before. So I'm really hoping that they'll give us good, and that this season is gonna be the last, because should they play for season 3, angeke ayikho into ezohamba kahle. So I'm really hoping that this second season is the last season that they're going to have, so that uma ngabe better izoshiphele, but then I could be wrong. So guys, comment down in the comment section, show your thoughts, show your opinions about this, and if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.